those views. Directly across the river there is a brand new residential building that was just completed in the past few months. Tallest residential building in New York. It is 76 stories, about 880 feet tall. Market rate rentals. That means that we have to ask the price you can't afford it. Look somewhere else. That is the World Trade Center tower directly in front of the bus right now, with the two white lights up on top. Again, it's about 80 stories complete now. And when you get up close to it, it actually looks like a building now. The glass skin is starting to grow up on the building. It doesn't look like just a steel skeleton anymore. It's very cool. All right, now right down here, folks, this is the Brooklyn Bridge Park. Now this whole area down here used to be an eyesore that nobody wanted to have anything to do with. It was abandoned warehouses and docks. And what has happened is the city has joined up with the Brooklyn Bridge Park Conservancy, and over the last 2 years they've begun some construction on this park here so that people can take advantage of the views, your skyline, from all over the city, tourist layout down here, and just take advantage of the spectacular views.